Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT in Binance. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy USDT in Binance, firstly open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Discover option at the bottom left corner of the screen. On the next page, click on Buy and Earn option. Enter the amount of USDT you want to buy and tap on Buy. Check your card details and amount, then tap on Confirm. This is how you can buy USDT in Binance application quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.